In this video, I'll be covering more typical questions that you will see on your trigonometry test. If you're not familiar with sine, cosine, and tangent yet, there will be a video link in the description below for you to watch first. Let's begin. In this situation, a person is looking up to the top of a building with an angle of 20 degrees above the horizon. The person is 2 meters tall. How tall is the building? Pause the video and see if you can solve it first. Let's begin. So the information that were given are the person's height, the angle, and the length between him and the top of the building. With the angle and the length, we can calculate all the sides of a triangle by using sine, cosine, or tangent. So here we have the hypotenuse, and we're looking for the opposite. So opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine. So we sine of 20 degrees is equal to opposite, we don't know yet, over hypotenuse, which is 30. And if we use our algebra, that will give us an answer of 10.26 meters. That's the height of the building from here to here. Now, we just need to add on the person's height, which is 2 meters, so 10.26 plus 2 is equal to 12.26 meters, and that's the height of the building. Next question. We have 3 points, point A, B, and C. The distance between point A and B is 10 meters. What is the distance between point A and point C? Just like before, pause this video and see if you can solve it. Okay, let's begin. So here we have an angle and a length. That's enough information for us to get every other length as well as angle. So here we want this length first. That will be adjacent and opposite as well as hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse, that's cosine. So cosine of 20 degrees is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, 10 meters. So our adjacent will be 9.40 meters. So the length from here to here is 9.40 meters. Now we want to get the length from here to here. We could get the angle of this by 180 degree minus 20 degree minus the 90 degree here. And that's equal to 70 degree. So this angle is 70 degree. Let's change the color now. Meaning that this angle here will be 90 degree because this is a right angle. 90 degree minus 70 degree, 20 degree. So this angle here is 20 degree. So we have an angle now, but we have no length for the triangle on the right. So we could get the length here by using the left triangle. So opposite hypotenuse, that's sine. So sine of 20 degree is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite will be 3.42 meters. So here is 3.42. Now we have an angle and a length. So we have our opposite and our adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. So tan of 20 degree is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is equal to 1.24 meters. And that is the length here. Now we just got to add up the two lengths, so 9.40 meters plus 1.24 meters is equal to 10.64 meters. So we're given the angle and the hypotenuse. What we're looking for is the opposite in this situation. So our opposite and our hypotenuse. That is sine. So sine 45 degree is equal to, we don't know what opposite is yet, and our hypotenuse, which is 50 meters. So that will give us the opposite, which is equal to 35.36 meters. So from here to here is 35.36 meters. Now all we gotta do is use the total length of this minus the length we just got, so 40 minus 35.36, and that's equal to 4.64 meters. And that's the length of this, 4.64 meters.